Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And recently, I discovered a new problem statement. Actually, I have never done it, so I'm also learning the same thing. So as you are learning by watching my videos or something like this. So what we have, what our business team asked us actually to create a line in a bar chart. But what they want that for a bar chart, they just want to show the maxima and the minima values on the bar. The rest they do not want it to show. So what I mean by this, so this if you see, this is by the sales and the profits cluster bar chart is there. Okay, and what they want, they just want to show the minima and the maximum value in the chart, what I have seen here, shown here. And it was a very quick ask from the client, and we have to show it in like a very quick time. So we did some workaround and somehow we got this value. So sometimes you might not be having the perfect solution, but it's okay to have something which client can take inference from that. So you can do this as well. So let's get started, like how we can replicate this kind of a chart where we just want to show the maxima and the minima of a bar. So I've already created this chart. Now out of this, we want to have maximum minimum. So for this, I need to create a new table. I will use the summarize function for this. It takes a while. Let's see how it goes. It's taking a lot of time. New table. So we need to summarize what it needs. So we need to summarize our current table, that is my financial table I have been. The next it asks the group by. So by which you want to group by it. Okay. So I want to group by dates because we need to take a sum by date. Okay. Then we have this things. Then I need what exactly the name of my particular sale. Let's say sum of sales. Now what we need, the sum of sales here, and this is done. Let me rename it to some underscore sales. Let me enlarge also for you. So what we have done, summarize, we need to take the table name, then it asks by which it's a group by date. The column name would be sum of sales and the sum of sales by. So let me hit enter. Our table will be created. Once it's done, if I go to this, if you see, we have already this thing. So let me format it as per our requirement. I will go with, let's say, month and year. I can go with something else like this, month and year. So we have this thing. So whatever you have seen on the x-axis, the bar are actually nothing but these values. Now out of these values, we want the maximum and get this thing. So we can do one thing. We can create a quick column, again, new column, and we can ask him, okay, if we want maximum, minimum both, so we can use the or condition here. So we can say the sum of sales equals to, we need to calculate the maxima. Let's say max of sum of sales. We need excluding all the dates. So this is it. So we have our first condition, first logical statement for maxima. It will return me the maxima. Let's say logical 2 will be for minima. So anything, if it is a maxima or minima, then what we need, okay, just a second, I need to close the bracket again. And then we need a sum of this, else 9. This is it. So I will explain what exactly I have done here again. So first statement gives you the maximum value of this particular column. Second, or since we have used or, so any one of will be true, holds true, and the minimum, then it will give me the sales value, else it will be the blank. Let's hit enter. If you see, these are the two maxima and minima. Let me sort it so it would be easy. So this is the maxima, this is the minima. Let me rename it as to min max of sales. So we have these things. Now what we need to do, we need to go into our table chart. First thing, we need to remove the sales since we have created our min max here. Now the issue is like we have not connected our table with respect to the main table. So what we can do, we can go to our connections. Okay, let me segregate some other which are not required here. So if I can find date, and I will make this thing, yes, and properties. Okay, my laptop is getting problem. I have to check this thing. I have to go to the properties, then I have to go to both the direction, hit apply. Now if I go here, yeah. So we have the maximum, we have the minimum. If I just turn on the data labels, it would be easy to see now. So this is how a workaround can be done to get the maxima and minima value and plot against some other measure or value from another table. Hope you like this video. Follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.